Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today is 4th of April, and it's my birthday. So, I thought I'll make a quick vlog on how my day is going to go. It's a pretty normal birthday. So ಈ ಸತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ it's my friend's wedding day, so that's why we are ready by 10. We've hardly slept for I think 2.5 hours. So ಅಷ್ಟು ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So ರಾತ್ರಿ my sister and her husband had come home, so we were just chilling, talking, and we didn't know how the time went. So they reached home only at around 3:30 a.m. or something, and then we were talking, and then ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿ ಬೇಲ್ಪುರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. So ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ we were having that, and then after that around 5:30 we went to bed. So it got really late for us to wake up in the morning, and it's already 10. So Ruben is saying he's giving it's my birthday, so he's giving some princess treatment, it seems. Princess treatment ante guys, ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಲ್ ಫುಟ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So we are waiting for Binoy and Shalini to come home. So until then he has decided to give me a massage. So he's doing that.
Massage? Okay.
So
are you feeling comfortable, man?
No, Papa, tell me, are you getting a Thai massage this time in Thailand?
See, few things are not written in our fate.
No, you tell me. You just want Thai massage, or Thai massage with happy ending? Actually, it might be a little late for Shalini and Binoy to come, so I am so damn sleepy also. Meanwhile, Ruben has ordered some cupcakes for me. So, let's see. Pretty. They're so cute. There's no much planned, so we thought we'd go for the wedding. We'll finish the wedding, probably we'll have lunch there, and adadmele church ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, and then we'll come back home and I'll change to my birthday dress and ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋಟೋಸು ಮತ್ತು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀಲ್ಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ probably we'll be going out for dinner with family. So that's the plan for today. So we'll take you all through how my day is going, and it's going to be a small vlog. I'll try to add ನನ್ನ birthday gifts kuda ide vlog alli. If not, I'm going to add my birthday gifts as a separate vlog. So with that said, most kalyana mandapa reach ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Usually when you grow old, birthdays ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. You don't feel like doing much celebrations, but I actually wanted to go for a vacation to a different country or a different city or a different state or something like that. Go for a vacation basically, but unfortunately we could not because of my friend's wedding, and I had to attend that. So after 1 month we are traveling. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿಯವ್ರ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ, ಸೊ ದೇ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಐಮ್ ಹೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. So yeah, it's like when you grow, when you're growing, birthdays are just going to be just another normal days. You just feel like relaxing on that day and doing nothing but doing something. Go have some nice food or go to some nice place. Ashte ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. Maybe wear some nice dress. Ashte. So yeah. So I'm wearing a half sari today, and Ruben is wearing shirt and panche. So Papa, What do you have to say? It's my birthday.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಮೋರ್.
ನನಗೇನು ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸಿಗ್ನಲೇ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
It's not like it's anything new. But ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು is an emotion. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು. ಆಲ್ದೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೇರಳ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಮೋಷನ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಮೋಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆದಷ್ಟು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So tell me, Ruben, from when are you planning to start doing videos? Many people miss your joke videos. They miss videos with you and South. So, you miss ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Comment ಮಾಡಿ below if you miss his jokes. Correct jokes.
I should start soon. It's just that ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Time ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, he's always lazy. We just had an amazing lunch. It is very nice. I really like the typical South Indian food. And ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನನಗಂತೂ ರಸಮ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇದ್ರೇ ಸಾಕು. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ 37 degree, you guys. It's too hot. Like the car all is literally burning. And we are like, I just feel like going home and sleeping. And that's the only thing I feel like doing. It's damn hot. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, we thought we'd go to church and just go visit. No mass or no prayer as such, but just go pray for a while and then just come back. I have some really old memories in this place, and my school is here. The campus has changed now, but yeah, this is my school. Ruben are setting up the background.
ಅರೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಂಜಿ ಪಿಂಜಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಕೋ.
You're not there, yeah, in the video.
ಅப்புறம் நாங்க இல்லையா?
நீ இருக்க.
சூப் போட்டு மிதிக்கிறாளா?
Okay, so they're setting up the background. Okay, so hi. So I've changed the outfit again. So we are going out for dinner now with my family. So yeah. Hi and welcome back. So we are here at Kuru, and so we're actually looking for an outdoor seating. So we got something that is inside. So we finally found one. I would have a clean channel. So we finally found one, and this is my first time that my dad and mom are actually coming to a pub. So they've always gone to restaurants. It's something new for them. They are like, it's nice. I want them to also experience some new things. That's the reason I got them here today. So let's see how it goes and what all we order and what all we do. So ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇ ಟ್ಯೂನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಏನೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ that's my mom, that's my dad. My sister looks very pretty today. That's the ambience. ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೂಪ್. What about you, Daddy? What did you order?
Chicken soup.
You deserve. What did you order, Papa?
Mutton soup.
Mutton soup.
I ordered mango ale beer. What did you order, Papa?
I've ordered guava jack. That's one of my favorite drink in Uru, which comes with chili powder as a topping.
You could have ordered guava jill, no? And you bought to do something in there.
Chicken lollipop. This is the drink I was talking about. This is guava chili. That's his mango ale. This is, what is this? This one? Mango mule. Mango mule. Something like that. My dad is having chicken soup.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Udma.
What is this now? So this was the toy gun that I had when I was a kid. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. What if it is a real gun, Papa?
If it is a real gun,
What will you do if I die? How can you live without me?
no comments.
It's bad, guys. Before wedding, it is something else. After wedding, it is something else. Okay, so all right. So next video is going to be like what all I received as gifts for my birthday. So that's what my next video is going to be about. And so ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಚ್ 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 ಲವ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಚ್ 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 ಲವ್. And to all my subscribers, much 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 love. So until my next video, see you all. Bye bye. Bye Solid. Bye bye. Tell bye.
Bye everyone. Take care. Have an amazing year.